Hello puppetry enthusiasts! Let's make an elf puppet today with a paper cup. Let's get started. First of all, take any paper cup you may have at home. It's great if it's a plain white paper cup. I didn't have one, so I'm using the one I had. It has a little bit of design on top. Now with some scissors, cut the paper cup from the center. Remember, we are not going to cut it all the way through. We are going to leave it attached at the back, and we are only going to cut it till the time we feel it's comfortable for us to move the lower part, like this. Now because my paper cup here has some designs on top and I want it to be plain white, for us to make features of elf on it, I'm going to stick some plain white paper. So I've cut A4 size white sheet and I'm going to stick it on top and bottom to just cover the design. If you have a plain white paper cup, you don't need to do this step. So I'm going to cover the paper cup all through with plain white paper. Now take a green Sharpie or a green sketch pen and mark from where the elf dress is going to start. On the bottom half of the cup, I'm going to mark like this and going all the way around the cup with the green marker like that. Now let's start painting the skin of the elf. I'm going to mix some white color and some brown color and create a skin color shade. If you already have a skin color shade at home, you can just start painting, or you can mix some white and some brown and create a skin color like this. So we are going to paint the top half of the cup and a little bit of the bottom half of the cup like this, right above the green line that we have drawn. Now let's cover the bottom half of the cup with green color. Elves wear green dresses, right? So take some green color and paint the bottom half. Don't leave the bottom edges, paint them too. Once the paint is dry, take a little bit of red color and paint the inside of the cup. Why are we doing this? Because when our puppet is going to open its mouth, the insides should not look white, right? It should look a little bit red like this. Now let's make some eyes for our elf. I've taken a little piece of a white paper and I've drawn two circles with a brown marker. Now let's fill in the inside. Let's make the eyeballs. Leave a little bit of a white spot on the eyeball so that eyes look alive. Now let's cut the eyes out. Let's stick the eyes on either sides like this. And yes, let us also stick a small pom-pom pink ball for the elf nose. Aw, so cute.
I've got eyes and a cute pink nose. Ha ha ha!
Now let's take some golden paper and I've drawn a row of triangles like this. And we are now going to cut it like that. Here we are going to stick it on top of the elf's head. I would also like to draw some elf hair, cute short hair peeping out like that. You can also use a black Sharpie to do it. I'm using a brown Sharpie, and you can make as long or shorter hair as you like. Oh, such cute hair. And I'm also giving my elf little freckles on the cheeks. You can do this too. Now let's decorate the elf's dress a little. So I've again taken the golden paper and I've drawn a row of smaller triangles this time, as you can see. And now we are going to cut it out. We are going to get a row of triangles like this. This time the triangles are going to face down and we are going to stick them like this right below the elf chin, right where the green portion of the dress starts on the elf's body. Here you go. Now let's make elf ears. They have big pointy ears, right? So draw a big pointy ear on a white paper like this. Fold the paper so that when you cut the ears, you get two identical ears. Like that. Let's color these ears too. The exact same color that we've used for elf skin. Color the ears and let them dry. Meanwhile, let's make the elf belt. With a black or a brown Sharpie, draw around the bottom part of the paper cup like this. You can just thicken it a little to look like a belt. And now take a small rectangle piece of the golden paper. Cut it so from the center so that it has two rectangles, one on the inside and the other one on the outside like this. And stick it at the center, straight in line with the elf's nose. So our puppet got a belt too. Now remains the elf's cap. Let us take a white sheet of paper again and draw a big cap like this. And now we are going to cut it out. And color it green. The exact same green that we have used for elf's costume. So paint it and let it dry. Meanwhile, our ears have dried, so let's paste them. Fold a little bit of the ears so that we have a tab to stick them on the elf's face. And then put some glue there and stick the ears on the side. Always remember, the ears are going to be parallel to each other and in line with each other. Let us also draw a little bit inside the ears to give it more detail. Oh, so cute! Okay, the cap has dried off. Let us take a small white pom-pom ball and stick it at the end of the cap like this. Now stick the cap on top inside the golden part like this. Our elf is almost ready. Now just for the last little thing, take an ice cream stick or any kind of stick that you may have at home and stick it inside the elf's mouth at the bottom part, so that when you pull that stick, the puppet is going to open and close its mouth. You can always tape it, glue it, but secure it nicely and strongly so that when you pull it, it doesn't come out. Here we go! Our paper cup elf puppet is ready. Isn't it cute? Aww.
Hi everybody, I am Santa's elf and I have a lot of work to do. So quickly, Merry Christmas!
It was great fun making this elf puppet with you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Till the time we see you again, let's play puppets.
This video is created by the Puppetarians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets!